All right, what's up, YouTube? It's Wednesday night. I'm about to go over a couple of my trades, just do some live analysis. So I'm gonna pull it up on this screen I got over here with my YouTube, and I'm just go over a few trades I took. What I really want to do is show y'all some of the mistakes that I noticed I've been making, some things I've been correcting, and also some things I've noticed that stand out on my good trades. And I'm probably gonna step up some size when I see these in the future. But all right, make a long story short, let's check out this crude oil breakout trade I attempted to take. I think this was yesterday. So notice this chart in the top left hand corner. If you notice, I'm already recording the screen, so I know I'm about to initiate a trade. But look at where my 50 is. That's the yellow line. Right now, I'm focused on MACD, and I'm just so hell bent on taking this breakout trade that I kind of really lose sight of where I'm supposed to be getting in. That I just want to get in so bad just because I see crude oil. It made this strong impulse move to the upside, and now I'm just ready to trade it. So I'm gonna fast forward it. As you can see, I draw my down trend line. Naturally, on the pullback, I will be waiting on the break above that line, then I will be in right now. But I was actually trying to take this as a breakout trade. That's why I named it a breakout. And I'm gonna fast forward this because this is a 7 minute long video. So as you can see, if this was a pullback, this previous resistance level, I would already be in. But boom, I sit in a buy stop because my initial thought process was if this is gonna be a breakout, then after we come out of this demand zone and we hold above this 8, then I'm long. But see, I mixed in my bullish pullback strategy with the breakout. And if you notice, this breakout is really still in the level of resistance. It's not even above resistance. So I took this trade once. Now notice how weak that candle closed. I'm just noticing it now. This is really my first time reviewing this trade, so I'm showing this, but I'm actually doing this for me, and this like my homework to get better. Right now, what I'm doing is setting my risk to reward. So I always get in and I practice setting my take profit at double whatever I risk. So that way I don't even have to be right on half of my trades, and I can still make money. So that's what I'm doing right there. And then, boom, notice as soon as I get in a trade, I'm immediately taking heat. I also notice on a lot of my winning trades, I really don't take heat. So the fact that I'm taking heat on this is a red flag, and make the long video a little bit shorter. I get stopped out. Now, notice price never really breaks out of this high. So that was the first mistake. I'm taking a breakout trade that's not even a true breakout. So I think I took this trade again. Yeah, boom. I took it again. And this one can kind of pass for a breakout. But then notice immediately, boom, I'm taking heat. I'm seeing shooting stars. And we kind of far away from my moving averages. So once they get extended, I noticed that trades usually don't work out. Now that was that trade. So let me show y'all this other one. Let's look at this pullback in silver. I'm gonna show a bullish trade just so we can compare setup to setup, so it'll make sense instead of me showing like a bearish trade. Watch this bottom left corner. That's silver, the silver's futures market. And right now, what I'm looking to do is get long, and video just cleared up. Notice how price Number one is at new highs. We had a holy cross. This 50 just crossed above this 200. We just broke above the day's open and the previous day's close. That's that purple line. And we sitting right on top of the pivot point. And we touching that 50. And I got a double test and some bullish divergence on MACD. So I'm getting like three and four and five confirmations all at once. And then boom, right out of the demand zone, I'm getting a bullish candle. So you can see I was like, all right, I got a double test bullish divergence. If I'm gonna get in, I need to get in now. But I didn't chase it. I got in at a limit because I was a little bit behind on my entry, so I didn't want to chase it. So boom, what I'm doing, I'm setting my risk to reward, making sure I take profit at double what I'm risking. And notice I'm immediately in profit. As soon as I got in, I went up. That's another thing I noticed about my good trades. As soon as I get in, I'm already immediately in profit or break even. It may go against me like a tick, but on my best trades, I really don't take heat. So that's another thing I noticed. And with this trade, I got a double test right around a pivot point. And I noticed also on my good trades, I get in around pivot points. Boom. Make the long video short. The trade ended up taking profit. Boom, I ended up taking profit. So that was some analysis for this evening. Main thing being on my good trades, I really don't take heat. Well, on my best trades, I don't take heat. And I get in close to my moving averages around pivot points or previous day closes, previous day levels. So, boom, two things I just noticed. And that's it for tonight. I'll see y'all on my next live analysis. If y'all want to see trades every day, come join the chat room where we trade the markets day in and day out. And yeah, check me out on my website. It's KeyshawnMichael.com. Join that chat room, like and subscribe.